In this exercise, you will learn how to use the personal information pages of the Dave application to start or edit a new death record. To start or edit a record, you can go to the main menu, select Live Events, select Death, then select Start Edit New Case. You can also select the fast link labeled Death, Start, Edit New Case. This will bring up the Start, Edit New Case page. Notice that first, last, date of death, date of birth, sex, and place of death are all marked with red arrows. Fields with a red arrow next to them are required entries and must be completed before you will be allowed to perform a search. Fill in each of the fields with a red arrow next to them. In addition to manual date entry, you can also click on the calendar icon next to a date entry box to bring up a calendar control. By default, the current month, day and year are pre-selected. As with all drop-down lists, clicking on the down arrow next to the month or year will reveal all the items in the list. In addition to manually dropping down the list, we can just type the first letter of the month we are interested in, or use the up and down arrows on the keyboard to scroll through the list until we find the month we want to select. Once we have selected the correct month and year, clicking on the day of the month will auto-populate the date for us. All place searches in Dave have a predictive text auto-populate feature. Just type the first 3 letters of the location, city, county, state, country, and predictive text suggestions for selection, and auto-completion of the specified place will be displayed below the place field. Before you will be allowed to create a new death record, you must first search for an existing file. This is to prevent the creation of duplicate death files. Once you have filled in the required items, click the search button to proceed, or, if you need to, click on the clear button to clear all entries and start over. If this is a new case, and there are no cases that match the criteria you have entered, select the Start New Case button to proceed. You may also select the New Search button to perform a new search. To start a new death case, you must enter first and last name, date of death and sex of decedent, date of birth and place of death. All of the above. Thank you. That concludes this lesson on creating new death cases.